Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving into a massive update from Beehiiv that might just solve the two biggest headaches for pretty much every newsletter creator out there: making money and growing your audience. They've totally overhauled their ad network and their partnership tools, and honestly, you're going to want to see this. I mean, let's be real. If you're a creator, you know the drill. Every single day, you wake up asking yourself two things. One, how do I actually make a living from this thing? And two, where am I going to find my next subscriber? It's a total grind, right? But what if? What if there was a way to make both of those things way, way easier?
And you know, that's exactly what we're all about here at softwareauthority.org. We sift through all the noise to find the tools that give you, the creator, a real, actual edge. And that's why we're so fired up about Beehiiv today, because what they've just rolled out is pretty much a masterclass in solving real-world creator problems.
All right, so first things first, let's talk about the money. Finding sponsors, the back-and-forth emails, the awkward negotiations, it's a huge pain. But Beehiiv's completely redesigned ad network is built to make all of that just disappear. Let's dive in and see how they pulled it off.
It all kicks off with something super simple, an email that lands in your inbox every Sunday called Weekly Ad Opportunities. But here's the key. These aren't just random garbage offers. They are handpicked for your specific audience and your niche. That means you're getting relevant ads and better payouts from the get-go.
And once you spot an offer you like, look how ridiculously easy this is. It's literally 3 clicks. You hit accept, you pick the ad copy you want to use, they even flag the one that's performing best, and then you pick the date you want it to run. That's it. Your ad is booked. It is so efficient.
And all of this is run from your new command center, this beautiful dashboard. You have total control to manage everything, you can track your earnings as they come in real time, and you can see all your past and present offers. Plus, you get detailed reports within 96 hours, so no more guessing games. You have the actual data you need to grow this like a real business.
Okay, but what about those ugly, clunky ads that just ruin the vibe of your carefully crafted newsletter? Well, Beehiiv thought of that too. The system automatically styles the ad to match your newsletter's design. It just fits. It keeps your readers happy and protects that brand you've worked so hard to build.
And of course, the big question, right? How and when do you get paid? Again, they've made it dead simple. No more chasing down invoices. You get paid on the 20th of every single month for all the ads you ran the month before. It's like clockwork. It's reliable. It's predictable. Exactly what you need when you're running a business.
All right, I've got to just jump in here for a sec. If this monetization engine is already sounding like the answer to your prayers, do us a quick favor and smash that like button, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. Okay, let's get back to it, because we are only halfway done.
Because making money is awesome, but you need an audience to make it from, right? So now let's tackle the other giant in the room, growth. Because Beehiiv has also launched a whole suite of incredible tools designed to basically put your subscriber growth on autopilot.
So, here's a little secret from the pros, a fundamental truth of the newsletter game. The top players, the fastest growing newsletters out there, they are not growing in a vacuum. They use partnerships and cross-promotions to get that explosive, exponential growth. It is, without a doubt, the most powerful strategy in the game. And this is where it gets really exciting for you. Beehiiv has basically taken that pro-level strategy and built it right into their platform, making it accessible for everyone. You don't need a huge network or a business development team anymore. They're leveling the playing field.
So, how's it work? Well, first up, we've got recommendation invites. Think of it like a magic link. Beehiiv gives you a unique URL you can post anywhere: Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever. When another creator clicks it, they can add your newsletter to their recommendations with a single click. It's networking without all the awkward networking.
Now hold on, what if you could not only grow but get paid to grow? Yeah, you heard that right. This is where a feature called Boosts comes in. And Beehiiv's claim is pretty wild. They call it, quote, the easiest way to passively earn revenue from your newsletter, period. That's a super bold claim, so let's break down how it actually works.
Okay, check out this real-world example. Another newsletter is basically offering to pay you $2.40 for every single new subscriber you send their way, all the way up to a total of $1,200. All you have to do is apply, and if it's a good fit, you start earning passive income just for recommending other great newsletters. It's a total win-win. All right, let's pull all this together. We've got this brand new, super streamlined ad network to make monetization a breeze, and we have recommendations and boosts to automate your growth. So what's next?
how do you actually put this all into action and start building your newsletter empire?
This right here is the big picture, the real magic of what Beehiiv has built. It's not just two separate features. It's a powerful, integrated flywheel. You use the ad network to make money. You can then take some of that money and reinvest it into boosts to grow even faster. And of course, a bigger audience makes your ad slots worth even more. See how that works? It's a brilliant, self-sustaining engine.
So if you're sitting there thinking, okay, I need to put this flywheel to work for me, we've got you covered. We've dropped a link right down there in the description. Go ahead and click that to get started with Beehiiv today and see these incredible features for yourself.
And hey, while you're down there, if you got any value out of this explainer, do us a solid and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and go check out our full playlist on newsletter tools. We are always breaking down the best software out there to help you win. And one last thing, we really want to hear from you. After seeing all this, what's your plan? How are you thinking about using the new ad network, or maybe the Boosts feature for your own newsletter? Drop your strategy in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.